it's pitiful that this man has to rely on a foreign country to effect a change of leadership in this country. It is an admission, in fact, that their revolution has failed. It's wishful thinking. Why? Apart from the U.S. will not listen to him, a country which he abhors in the first place. He hates to the bone. Filipinos trust this president. The military and the police love this president.
Thank you.
Okay, MPC, Jinky.
Hi, sir. Sir, follow-up ko lang po yung question ni Ate Rose. Sinabi rin ni Joma season that the president is heavily bribed by China. Ano yung reaksyon ng palasyo, sir?
Not only misplaced, it's absolutely false. What bribery is he talking about?
Okay. Tina. Microphone.
He must be having nightmares.